There are a lot of reasons why you might want to invest in Safemoon and why it's going to hit 1 cent soon. Many think that they have to be a savvy investor with lots of capital, but with some common sense and research, it's pretty accessible even for beginners. Welcome to Liquide Coin. Stay tuned with us until the end of the video to know more. According to Trading Education, Safemoon is a decentralized finance crypto project. It works by using trades as a source of liquidity for exchanges. To keep the project running, Safemoon penalizes sellers by taking a 10% fee off their sales. The fee is then distributed to the token holders, while some of it is burned. Below, we cover 15 major reasons why you should invest in Safemoon and why Safemoon investing can be so powerful. But first, let's start with the hard fact-based reasons to invest in Safemoon, and then we'll transition into some less discussed but still important reasons to invest. Dogecoin has made lots of people start hunting for low-cost cryptocurrencies. Anyone who bought just $2,000 worth of Doge a few months ago is a millionaire today. As a result of this urge to hit the next big thing, Safemoon has come under many investors' radar. Since April, there have been a lot of hype around Safemoon, and crypto has made lots of people money. However, Safemoon is yet to replicate Dogecoin's unimaginable rally. As such, investors still believe that this crypto has lots of room for growth. The excitement around Safemoon is likely to be enhanced by the hype that is building around. Shiba Inu is another low-cost project that is mooning at the moment. While the two projects are not related, they created the impression that getting instant riches out of these projects is possible. The effect is that anyone holding Safemoon today will feel encouraged to keep holding. It also means that more investors will come in. Not only does this increase the demand, but it also makes Safemoon more liquid. This will add to its long-term prospects and make it an excellent cryptocurrency to buy now. Safemoon has the right hype. For small and new projects like Safemoon, the hype is everything. They do not need hype because they're bad projects or anything of that sort. It's simply the nature of the industry. The crypto market has over 2,000 projects, and new ones are coming up every day. On top of that, the market is heavily skewed towards the top cryptocurrencies, and more specifically Bitcoin and Ethereum. As such, projects below the top 100 will find it challenging to get noticed by investors no matter how good they are. Those that do not get noticed simply die or stagnate. Safemoon is one of those that have mastered the art of marketing just right. Just looking at the social media presence of this project, one gets the impression that there are a lot of people following it. Safemoon has also been hyped and mentioned by influential people on crypto social media such as Crypto Jesus. The story is the same on YouTube and in Google articles. Everything is positive and heavily hyped. This means that the project is drawing in new investors compared to other projects below the top 100. Such positive press, coupled with the hype around low-cost cryptocurrencies, is reason enough to buy Safemoon today. Safemoon has a good team behind it. The Safemoon team inspires trust in the project. Not only are they committed to the project, but their credentials also point to people who can be trusted. Some of the core members of the Safemoon team are John Caroni. John is the CEO of Safemoon. He's also the CEO of Tano. Before founding these two projects, John worked as an all-source analyst at the US Department of Defense. Thomas Smith. Smith is the Chief Technology Officer of Safemoon and has an admirable tech record. He has expertise in everything from decentralized ledger technologies, energy, and space technology. Henry Wyatt. Wyatt is the Vice President of Research and Development at Safemoon. Aside from his role at Safemoon, Wyatt is also the CEO of HLW Group LLC. This software company develops code for the gaming industry, and it's hugely successful. Jack Haynes Davies. Haynes Davies is the Chief Operating Officer of Safemoon, and he too has an admirable track record. He's a former Ben Phillips media manager, a company with more than 4 million subscribers. Other incredible members of the Safemoon team worth mentioning are Trevor Church, the community manager, and Jacob Smith, a web developer. With such a team of tech and marketing experts, it's not surprising that the project has been performing very well so far. They also inspire confidence that this cryptocurrency has a future ahead of it that's very promising. This is a good enough reason to throw some money at it and wait for returns in the short to medium term. Safemoon has a very fair token distribution. Tokenomics is one of the key factors that investors are looking for when investing in small altcoins. In most cases, the token distribution is skewed in favor of the developer team. This usually leads to a situation where the team dumps on investors when the price rises. This is quite common in crypto, and there are tons of projects where investors are left holding worthless bags. Safemoon is different, and in a good way. At the time of launch, the project founding team burned all their tokens. They bought the tokens pretty much like everyone else. This fairness in token distribution is a guarantee that the developer team will never dump on you. It's a good reason to buy this crypto when it's taken in the context of its other fundamentals. Safemoon is following up on its roadmap. One of the critical factors that matter when investing in cryptocurrencies is the roadmap. Any gaps in the roadmap implementation are usually an indicator that the team is either incompetent or does not care about the project. In such a case, there is always the risk of being left holding the bag while the developer team exits rich. Safemoon is a good project when analyzed from this perspective. Since its launch, Safemoon has met every development metric set out for every quarter. In Q1 of 2021, Safemoon worked on onboarding Dogecoin for trading against BBPOM and got that done. The project also worked on integrating Bitmart and got the legal process right for the same. In Q2, the project is working on the tokenomics of integrating Whitebit. It's also working on the app, wallet, and games on Safemoon. With such a dedicated follow-up on the roadmap, Safemoon comes across as an excellent project to buy now. Safemoon is easy to buy. Safemoon is one of the most accessible cryptocurrencies to buy. While the process is not as direct as, say, buying Bitcoin, it's still easy nonetheless. All you need to do is go into your favorite app store and download the Trust wallet. From there, you need to deposit a Binance coin from Binance or any other exchange. On the wallet, click on dApps and select Pancake Swap. Enter the contract address for Safemoon and exchange your Binance coin for it. It's a pretty straightforward process that anyone can follow. With the huge level of activity that Safemoon has experienced in recent months, it's safe to say that lots of investors are finding it very easy to buy Safemoon. An even more bullish factor is that Safemoon is working on a wallet. It's part of the roadmap for Q2 of 2021. With a good wallet, a lot more people will be in a position to buy and hold Safemoon. This is a factor that will likely play into its long-term price dynamics. The wallet completion could be the trigger that takes Safemoon to the next level and is a good reason to buy Safemoon now. If you think that you've seen the best of Safemoon, then you're wrong. The project's roadmap for Q3 is more interesting than any other aspect of its development. For starters, the project intends to complete the development of its exchange in Q3. Not only will this raise the project's profile, but it will also open up liquidity in ways never seen before. Still, on its Q3 roadmap, the project is looking to complete integrating the African market. Many other reasons tell why Safemoon is the best choice for everyone, but in the end, the choice is yours. That was all from our side. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.